everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nivya and today I am sharing all the things I have purchased on the Nykaa Hot Pink sale. And I must say that I actually went a little over the board because the deals were so good. Everything was available on slash prices, and I feel it's the best time if you want to try out some new products because वो इतने affordable price पे मिल रहा होता है. And you can also restock your favorite products, which I exactly did. When you know कि आप बार बार खरीदने वाले हो और वो best price पे मिल रहा है, half price पे मिल रहा है, half से भी कम पे मिल रहा है, so why not? So that's what I exactly did. Went a little over the top, went a little mental, but no complaints, no regrets at all. So without wasting any time, let's just jump into this video. This is the second time I'm shooting this video. The first attempt, just something happened with the video, so I don't want to just delay this video and just want to shoot it real quick. So without wasting any time, let's just jump. But before that, please take a minute and subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. And I am being so regular on my YouTube and my Instagram. Your support will be everything to me. So yeah, let's get started. So I will be sharing the products in no particular order. जो भी मेरे हाथ में पहले आ रहा है यहाँ पे, because सब कुछ spread किया हुआ है मैंने, जो जैसे आ रहा होगा I will be just showing and talking to you about it. So the first product I have is the Pears Pomegranate Body Wash. This is a body wash which I really like. It's very fruity, very gentle, love it. Already started using it. थोड़ा सा खाली भी हो गया, as you can see. So yeah, that's the first purchase. Then I have my all-time favorite. Like I never run out of this. हर जगह मेरे यहाँ वाले घर पे, मनाली वाले घर पे, at my in-laws place, everywhere you will find this tube. This is the Bioderma Atoderm Moisturizer. One of the best moisturizers I've ever come across. So restock this one. Then I have the Cosrx Salicylic Acid Daily Gentle Cleanser. I have already started using this. I have so much to talk about this in the coming videos because I have discovered a new favorite with this one. So yeah, watch out for that. And the next product I have is the Lotus Herbals Tea Tree Clarifying Face Pack. Again, this is a restock. I already been using this, love it. Got a bigger size this time because it's acting so good for my skin. And just for your reference, I'm an acne prone, super oily girl. So yeah. Next I have is the Acne Squad Breakout Terminator Serum. So this one is also a restock. This is my third bottle. Yeah, if I'm not wrong, this is my third bottle. Already opened, started using this. Then I have purchased this Love Earth Liquid Mousse 2.0 Liquid Matte Lipsticks. This is something which I have purchased for a giveaway which is gonna happen on my Instagram page. So make sure that you follow me there. I'm gonna leave a link over here. So yeah, make sure you follow me on Instagram because this pack is gonna be on a giveaway. And there are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 lipsticks in this, and I've heard some really nice raving reviews about it. So yeah, in case you want to win this, make sure you follow me on Instagram. Next I have restocked my Pond's favorite, love it, Pond's Super Light Gel Non-Sticky Fresh Moisturizer. It's a very good lightweight everyday moisturizer. Any oily skin girl would love it, or a guy as well. My husband also got it recently and he loves it. So the next thing I have is the Dove Beautiful Curls Deep Moisturizer Miracle Hair Mask. So I don't have curly hair. This is me Dysoning my hair. Like this is the Dyson curls. Otherwise I have very straight hair, but I have dry hair. So this hair mask works wonders for my hair. And in case you want to know everything in detail, so watch out for the review. Next I have restock this is a restock again. I mean, what should I say about this face pack? I've been using it for good 7 years now. Not even kidding, not exaggerating. This is something which I've been using for that long. This is the Plum Green Tea Clear Face Mask. If you have oily, acne prone skin, just go for it. It's amazing. Then I'm going to talk about this later because it's a freebie. Then I have also restocked my Anomaly dry shampoo. Been using it, second bottle, love it. There is no white cast with this dry shampoo, which is a game changer. I have tried so many dry shampoos, and because of my hair is colored and I don't like to wash it frequently because it just gets too tedious to, you know, maintain colored hair and keep washing it frequently, and this works just fine for my hair. And next I have is the Mars Wonder Fixer makeup spray. I got the similar thing in a PR box. I finished the whole thing, loved it, had to restock it. Mars products are actually something which are surprising me a lot lately. So yeah, got this. And then I restocked my Maybelline Super Stay Lumi matte foundation. I'm in the shade 228. In case you wanna know, this is the foundation which I'm wearing on my skin today, and it looks fab. Like, if you like a skin like foundation, just don't think about it, go for it. Next I have is the Cosrx the 6 peptide skin booster with hyaluronic acid, amino acids. It works for even skin tone, hydrating, firmness and smoothness, pore and sebum care, improves skin texture. It says it does, and it says everything my skin is screaming for lately, so I thought to just give it a try. थोड़ा सा expensive है, otherwise on a normal the MRP of this one is 2000 rupees, which is a slightly expensive one, but on slash price, that's what I love about sales. So this one I got it for like 500 off or something, so it was somewhere around 1500. So I was like, let's just give it a try. And the next product I have is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. It's a great setting spray, love it, hydrating and sets your makeup very nicely, so had to restock this. Then I have restocked this one. This is my 5th bottle, not kidding. This is the Cosrx Advanced Nail Mucin Power Essence. Restocked it, love it, can't live without it. Next I have, this was an expensive purchase. I was eyeing on this product for a really long time, and I've heard some really nice raving reviews about it. This is the Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate Leave-In Treatment. Been using it for, I think I've already used it thrice, I believe, and I love it, honestly, already love it, and I'm gonna do a detailed review about it, so watch out for that. Next I have is the Sunfei Underarm Lightening Roll-On. This is something, I mean, this is a new purchase, wanted to give it a try, so let's see how this works. Haven't started using it yet, so can't say much about it. Next I have is the Indulekha Bringa Oil. I mean, if I'm not using the oil which my dad makes it for me, I know he's just a darling who makes a hair oil for me. That's the reason I have such, touchwood, gorgeous hair. That's because of my father who makes a homemade oil. So also, in case you want to know that oil, please comment down below. I will be making a video on that as well. And yeah, so this oil is something, if I'm not using that oil, this is something I like to use. It's great for regrowth, it's great for hydration. I love how this oil actually performs. Been using it for quite some time now. Next I have is the Indie Wild 2% vegan butter and peptides. This is the lip balm by Indie Wild. I've heard some really nice reviews. Let's see how this works. I've just started using it, so can't comment much about it. Next I have is the Stay With Me Desire for Brown Lipstick. Beautiful, beautiful pink. If you're any close to my skin tone, or if you're a brown girl, or even if you're a fair complexion, I think you're gonna just love this. The formula is amazing, super lightweight, sits amazing on your lips. Love everything about this lipstick. This is my 2nd bottle, so yeah, you can imagine. Next I wanted to try these two lipsticks which are quite viral lately. Yeah, these two. This is the Lip Whip by Fae Beauty. What is the brand called? Yeah, Fae Beauty. That's how you pronounce it, F-A-E, Fae, right? Fae Beauty Lip Whip. Let's see how they perform. I haven't tried these two. I will be swatching them and trying them out on my Insta Reels, so watch out for that. That's why I'm saying, just make sure that you do follow me on Instagram, because I have a lot coming out there. Next I have the Mars lip pencils. They are so good, so affordable. They were just like 65 rupees. Can you imagine, like a lip pencil for 65 rupees, and they're doing so good. I'm wearing one of these right now on my lips, and it's just the most amazing lip pencil. So next I have restocked the L'Oreal lipstick. I don't know which range is this, but this is how the packaging looks. I'm gonna mention the whole thing over here, and this is in the shade Lazy Sunday. Love it. It is such a gorgeous color. I'm wearing this one today. I have mixed it with some other lip color as well, just to tone it down today, because it was a little too dark for this outfit. But otherwise, like, individually this shade is amazing. The formula is bomb, so I just had to restock this. Now let's talk about the freebies which you get with Nykaa sale, which I love. I mean, who doesn't love free ka saman? I to love it. So next, they have sent me the L'Oreal lipstick. This is how the packaging looks. It's a very moussey kind of a formula, and of course there is transfer to this one, but I love how it sits on my lips. It feels so super comfortable, so buttery. Love it. The shade is a Sweet Papaya 614. It's a gorgeous shade. That's what I have got. This was free. I love free products. I love it. Thank you Nykaa for sending this. And it's actually a stunning color. Usually जो free की चीजें होती हैं ना, वो ज़्यादा अच्छी नहीं होती, but Nykaa, you're just amazing. Free की चीजें भी इतनी अच्छी दे रहे हो. Then I have again free. So this one is the Rene perfume. This is in the fragrance Bloom. I don't know if I can really describe this for you. I'm really bad with describing fragrance. I think it's an art to describe fragrance. It's all I can say. It's very girly, very fruity, very sweet, but I like it. It's a great size to put it in your handbag and you know, carry it like a backup. I forget wearing perfumes a lot of times, and I need something on my pouch, or you can just throw it in your car and forget about it. So it's great for that. Then again, I have a freebie, which is the Cosrx AHA BHA Clarifying Treatment Toner. Really wanted to try this out. Thank God they have sent me. This is quite a good size actually. It's not that tiny. You can use it for good 15-20 days, you know, and it's a great time to try out any product. So I love Nykaa. Your strategy for sending freebies is just amazing, because that's how you get to try new products. A lot of times you bump into very great products as well. So thank you for this one. Next I have, again, surprisingly, Mars. I have got their glitter. I just saw it on the other day on one of the reels, and I was like, you know what, I just need this in my life. And I was getting it on slash price, so why not? It's a gorgeous color. Like, it changes color like every time you move your face. किधर से blue लगेगा, कहीं से pink लगेगा. बहुत ही अच्छा है, मतलब देखने में तो बहुत अच्छा है. I don't know how it is gonna perform on my eyes, but I will surely be using it in my coming video, so watch out for that. Next, again, I'm going to talk about this product later. Next I have restocked are these eyelashes from PAC. As I said in my previous video, also in the recommendation videos, I love wearing PAC eyelashes. I'm wearing them right now. They are so lightweight, and especially if you have hooded eyes, you would love it. They have a transparent band to them, which makes it damn comfortable to wear it for longer hours, and my hooded eyes just love it. I just dropped a product. Ouch. Anyway, we're gonna pick it up later. Then I have the Sunfei. Yeah, that's how you pronounce the brand? Sunfei or Sanfei? Sanfei? Maybe Sanfei. So yeah, sheer butter body razor. Like, sheer butter body razor. I don't know how true is that, but yeah, these are the body razors which I have got. Haven't used them yet, so let's see how this performs. Then I have the HK Vital Skin Radiance Collagen. I love drinking collagen. I am in my 30s. My skin has stopped producing that much collagen, so I need a little extra boost. For that, I am trying these. These are new products. Let's see how they work. I mean, when I uploaded this on my Insta stories, I got a little mixed review. Some of them said they are useless. Some of them said, oh, they're nice. Don't know, can't comment until I just finish these two. So let's see. Let's hope they are good. Let's hope. Next I have is the Good Bug Daily Probiotics Bloating and Gas Support. Help relieve bloating caused by gas and poor digestion. This is how it looks like, and I haven't tried this yet because lately, touch wood, I am not feeling bloated, but whenever I do, I think I'm gonna give it a try. Watch out my Insta stories. That's where I'm gonna instantly you know, upload about this one. Next I have is the All About Snail Kit 4-step for dry and dark spots. So this has a gel cleanser, a cream, an eye cream and a power essence. This is how the packaging looks like. It's great to gift someone. I am thinking to give this away in the giveaway, so make sure you again follow me on Instagram. कितने तरीके हैं मेरे पास आपको Instagram पे follow कराने के, तो क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो? Just go ahead and do it. So yeah, this will again be on a giveaway. I will be giving this away. It's a great kit to try it on. Next I have is the Acne Squad Break Terminator Spot Corrector. I've already posted in my previous video. I've already posted on my reels as well. This is something I love. It's actually acne drying treatment. So you apply wherever you have an acne and it does magic. So I have PCOD and sometimes I really get those cystic बड़े वाले acne जो एक हफ्ते तक आपके फेस पे रह सकते हैं, और मेरे साथ हुआ ऐसा. But those acne can also be treated with this one. All you have to do is just have some patience. Those bigger acnes might take slightly longer time, but it does the job so well. I have tried so many spot correctors, but this one is just my ride or die lately. So next I have is the Schwarzkopf tongue twister, like always. Schwarzkopf, yes. Schwarzkopf, forget it, I'm not gonna say it again, you know the drill. I'm gonna write it over here. Color Freeze shampoo, pH 4.5, color clean performance. So this one is great shampoo if you have colored hair, recommended by my hairstylist, and I don't switch to any other shampoo than this. That's why I've got such a big bottle, because even if I have hair fall, I don't change my shampoo. It is a very gentle, nice, beautiful cleanser. It keeps your color stay in place for a really long time, so I love it. And I have seen it, like I have seen the difference. When I stop using this, my color washes off so quickly, but every time when I continue use it, it just maintains my color and makes it more long lasting. Also, I have the same Color Freeze treatment. This is their conditioner. So these two together are just amazing. So I want to tell you something. With this, Nykaa has also sent me their Schwarzkopf Moisture Kick Spray Conditioner. Also, this one is something which I have it in full size. It's a great product. Now I have it in travel size. When you buy something like this from Nykaa with Schwarzkopf, they send you this tiny little thing. All you have to do is apply it on your damp hair and just leave it. It's a leave-in conditioner, works so good that I can't tell you. Love it. Then I have a mascara, which is the L'Oreal Panorama mascara. That's how the packaging was, and I have already used it. अभी तक मैंने सिर्फ एक ही बार यूज किया है, तो I think it's gonna be too early to just comment how it is. Though I love the wand, but I think I just need to try it a little more to come to a conclusion. Next I have is the Dove body scrub. Again, one of my favorite body scrubs. Love it. It's very great, very moisturizing, yet very gently exfoliates your skin. This one is the Shea Butter pomegranate exfoliates. Yeah, this one is the Shea Butter one. So काफी कुछ ऊपर से rub हो गया है. So I've already started using this. Love it. बहुत अमेजिंग है. इसके कई सारे फ्लेवर्स आते हैं. मैंगो भी आता है और कॉफी भी आता है. So you can pick whatever works for you. Then I have one more free product. Love Nykaa for sending freebies, man. Then I have the Face Skin SPF juice, SPF 50. This is such a cute thing. You can just put it in your handbag, and if you just wanna, अगर आप किसी दिन सनस्क्रीन लगाना भूल गए हो तो it's a great thing. और या फिर आप 1 या 2 दिन की ट्रिप पे कहीं जा रहे हो तो why carry like a full size product? You can just have these. Then I have the Himalaya moisturizing aloe vera face gel. I apply this for my hair also. If I am making a sleek bun, I just like to apply it and just freeze my hair in place instead of applying those sticky gels, like those salon gels, which can really damage your hair. But I think aloe vera works just fine for your hair. It just sets everything in place. Those flyaways are just gone. Love to use it in my face, my body, wherever. Next I have is the Blossom Culture's Aroma Magic Brightening Beauty Face Pack. ये बस मैंने reviews देख के खरीद लिया. Honestly पता नहीं अभी कैसा है, मैंने try नहीं किया, so yeah, can't say much about it. Next product, I am so excited to talk about this one because first of all, let me give you a little history of me. I have migraine and I love smelling good all the time. Like, I just love a good fragrance. And I really wanted to try the Kylie fragrance for a really long time, but I think I am someone who can't really decide in one go. एक बार sniff करके मैं decide नहीं कर सकती कि अच्छा this perfume is something which I really want to wear for a really long time, or will it be my body fragrance, because it's very your body fragrance is, I think it's a personality reflection as well. So एक बारी में मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल होता है decide करना कि if I really want to buy in a full size bottle of it. So it was a great deal I got on the Kylie minis. So there are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. Really cool. They have pretty much all the perfumes which they have launched. And the size, yes, it is slightly tiny, but for 1600 you get to try all the fragrance they have launched. This is this much in size, and I think it's a great size to actually decide whether you like the fragrance or not. You can use it for quite few sprays, and I think मतलब ये चलेगा कितना 10, अगर ये 10 times भी मैंने एक को यूज कर लिया तो पैसे वसूल है. ये मुझे 1600 की डील मिली है, तो उसके हिसाब से आई फील इट्स ए पैसा वसूल डील. सो या, लव्ड इट. और ये मैंने सबसे पहले अपने कार्ट में ऐड किया था. द मोमेंट द सेल वाज ऑन, आई वाज लाइक दिस इज गोइंग इन माय कार्ट, एंड बिफोर एनीबडी एल्स प्लेसेस एन ऑर्डर, आई एम गोना प्लेस एन ऑर्डर. तो ये तो मतलब was a crack out of all the things I've bought on Nykaa sale. So the next thing I have is just a dental care thing. These are the dental floss. I mean, you can buy any of. So the next thing I have got is the dental floss. So yeah, I mean, you can buy any of dental floss. Then I have the Makeup Revolution palette. I just got it because I love the brown tones in this, as you can see. Let me just open it for you. The glitter shades are amazing. I have already started using this. This is what I'm wearing on my eyes today, and the color payoff is amazing. There's no fallout, honestly. I love how it is. Glitters मैंने अभी तक try नहीं किए, so can't say for that, but I love the color play happening over here. These are so my tone. I'm not a very pink kind of a person. I love playing with brown tones, and this is just gorgeous. So yeah, and it was super affordable. I think I got it for what, 500 or something. It was just too affordable, and for the price and the quality, it's just amazing. Then I have is a bridal facial kit, Radiant Glow Skin. As I told you in my previous video as well, the recommendation one, that I loved doing a Sunday at home chill out pamper session for myself, and I'm just watching a show on Netflix and I just want to just exfoliate my skin, do a little mini facial at home. And I travel a lot, so every time I don't have the क्या कहना चाहिए, टाइम नहीं होता कि हर बार मैं जाऊँ एक नई जगह पे, एक नए सैलून में कुछ ट्राई करूँ. समटाइम्स आई जस्ट वांट टू डू इट एट होम. सो फॉर दैट इट इज़ ग्रेट. आई मीन यू गेट इट फॉर लाइक 500 रुपीज़ या 500 और समथिंग. आई मीन उतने में फेशियल नहीं होने वाला, तो आप घर पे कर लो. तो आई लाइक इट. And next I have some more freebies with Acne Squad products. They send you these two amazing pouch. They are so good. They're so good. एक तो free का सामान यार, Nykaa, I love you for this. I'm telling you, such a cute bag. Like I can carry my makeup, my skincare, everything inside it. It is really good quality. Let me tell you, it's not like those फ्री के हैं तो शायद 5-6 बारी में खराब हो जाएगा. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. इट इज रियली गुड क्वालिटी. इट्स गॉट कुशन इनसाइड, एंड you can actually put your makeup palettes also inside. They're gonna be so safe because it has so much cushioning on it. So I love this. And the next I have is the chia seeds. Basically ये अब इस डब्बे में है क्योंकि मैं ऑलरेडी खोल चुकी हूँ. तो yeah, I got these chia seeds as well. Now the last product जो नीचे गिर गया था, let me just grab it. The Kai or K, Kai I think, Kai Beauty or K Beauty, whatever. K तो नहीं होगा, Kai होगा. K-A-I, Kai, yeah, maybe Kai. Kai Beauty face razors. so they are really good. But अगर आप अभी नए हो फेस रेजर्स के साथ में, प्लीज देन डोंट ट्राई दिस, बिकॉज ये बहुत शार्प है. If you know how to shave off your peach fuzz and you have got a good control over it, only then give it a try. Otherwise you'll cut yourself for sure. And I have done it initially, but now I know how sharp it is and how to just do it with this. So I love it. I don't think so I am reaching out to any other face razors apart from this. You get around 5 of them, if I am not wrong. Yeah, 5 of them. And again, it's a very affordable thing. डील बहुत अच्छी मिल रही होती है. फुल प्राइस इज 350, बट स्लैश प्राइस पे कुछ 200 में 5 मिल रहे थे, तो विच वॉज अ ग्रेट डील. And yeah, I think with that I have shared everything with you. So with that, we have come to an end to this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this shopping haul which I did on Nykaa. And in case you have any questions regarding any of these products, you want me to do a review of any of the products, feel free to comment down below and I will do that as soon as possible. Also, please take a minute and subscribe to my channel. I see a lot of you people who are watching my videos have not subscribed to my channel, so please, it will mean the world to me. Subscribe to my channel and I will be posting a lot of content for you guys. It is motivating for me as well. And yeah, hit that notification bell as well so that you get notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, with that, I will see you in my next one. Have a great week and love you.